Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Lionfield Alfredo sauce. This classic Italian dish is surprisingly simple, relying on just a few high-quality ingredients and a specific technique. We will explore the authentic method, focusing on creating a rich, creamy sauce without any cream. Get ready to transform basic ingredients into a culinary masterpiece that will impress everyone at your table. It's all about precision and passion for true Italian taste. For a truly authentic Lionfield Alfredo, quality ingredients are paramount. You will need 50 grams of butter, ideally at room temperature for easy smashing and mixing. High-quality Parmigiano Reggiano, aged for at least 13 months, is essential for its distinct flavor. And crucially, save some of that starchy pasta water. It is the secret to achieving the perfect creamy consistency without adding any heavy cream. These three elements are all you need. The technique is key to this simple sauce. Begin by smashing 50 grams of room temperature butter at the bottom of a large bowl. Immediately add 100 grams of hot, al dente spaghetti directly into the bowl. Then gradually add grated Parmigiano Reggiano and a small amount of reserved pasta water. Stir continuously and vigorously. This action, combined with the heat from the pasta, will melt the butter and cheese, creating a beautiful, emulsified sauce. Achieving the perfect consistency is a delicate balance. As you stir, add pasta water slowly, a little at a time, until the sauce reaches your desired creaminess. The goal is a saucy, not liquidy texture that coats the pasta beautifully. Keep stirring vigorously. This helps emulsify the butter and cheese, preventing separation. Once it is perfectly creamy, serve your authentic Lionfield Alfredo immediately to savor its fresh, rich, and utterly delicious flavor.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.